You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name from the Disney movie Moana, if you want to learn how to pronounce Moana perfectly. And more character names that are often mispronounced and a bit confusing. Make sure to stay tuned. I'll link to them all for you at the end of the video. We've got them all here. You can learn them all. From Hawaiian, the pronunciation is as Simea, Si-me-a, Simea. Now in English it's often pronounced as Simea, Simea. It's easy, Simea or Simea. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.